Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pem. We're here today in Greenwich outside the beautiful historical Queen's House. If you'd like to know the British Royal rumours, drama and scandal, I've got the tea. Come inside with me. Let's go. Hey guys, we're here today inside the Queen's House, inside the Great Hall, designed by the architect Inigo Jones, commissioned by James I for his Queen Anne of Denmark. Rumour has it he did this for her because when they were hunting, she accidentally shot dead his favourite dog and he swore at her, and to apologise he commissioned this house. So basically this house is an apology house, but unfortunately they didn't get to live here in time as they both passed away, but it was passed on to their son Charles I, and he gave it to his queen Henrietta Maria. This was Henrietta Maria's hunting lodge. Henrietta Maria actually lived here during hunting season and threw parties here, so this is known as the House of Delights. We're now at the famous tulip stairs. They're absolutely stunning, but they're originally actually known as the fleur-de-lis, which is Henrietta Maria's family emblem. So they're very French, and this is the first of its kind in this country. We're now at the Armada paintings of Queen Elizabeth I. Now tell me in the comments below, do you think Mary Queen of Scots should have been Queen? I think it was about the religious disputes as to why Elizabeth became Queen. So let me know, should Mary Queen of Scots actually been Queen instead of Elizabeth I? Comment below, let me know what you think on that one. But Elizabeth is amazing. If you look here, she is absolutely adorned in pearls. And I've come in pearls today as well, as the pearls actually indicate purity, virginity. We have a giant pearl right near the private area, just to say this is a very virginal body. There's 3 versions, so this one seems a bit more yellow and tarnished. She looks very austere in her face. She's so regal, and the way she's dressed, it's just so intricate and theatrical. You can see here there's like something calm going on and then a massive storm, so she's got a lot on her shoulders. There's this beautiful crown, so the weight of the crown is upon her, and she's got her hand here on top of the well. She's queen of the well. This is my favourite one. I just love the colours in this one and the way this is painted. The intricacy and the fashion is just absolutely stunning and breathtaking, and normal people would not be able to dress like this. This is absolutely beautiful. And then if we come over here, I do think there's something quite beautiful about her. She is very pretty, but she seems very human in this painting. There's just a look about her. You see a fragility as well in her face, and yet the strength and the grandeur, it's the juxtaposition of the human side and then this powerful goddess-like quality that she has that makes her so fascinating to me. Let's go to the next room. This is Inigo Jones, the incredible man that a lot of people copied after he created this first of its kind in this country, classical white cube of a house. in its geometric and mathematical splendour. And here we have Anne of Denmark and Henrietta Maria. This was actually a secret room for her Catholicism. Can you see this door? That was a secret door just there, so people could enter and she could privately celebrate her religiousness. And here's the fireplace. How cute. That really shows you how they used to live. Henry VIII, and then the last of the Tudors before the Stuart dynasty took over. That's Queen Elizabeth I. This is Anne of Denmark. And this is her husband, James I, who was bisexual and had love affairs with men. He had one man in particular he called his wife. James I actually enjoyed art and literature. Lovely portrait of this couple. Very handsome man here. Vice Admiral Horatio Nelson. This is his love child with his mistress and one true love. That's Nelson there, that's their love child, and that is the love of his life, Emma Hamilton. We're inside the Queen's house. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning in here. So pretty. Oh my gosh, like look at this clock. I love this clock. All the gorgeous artwork. Oh, it's so exhausting going around the Queen's house. I needed this little sit down for a minute. Henrietta Maria lived in here. She lived separately from her King Charles I. And she made this, you know, the way that she wanted it to be. And Henrietta Maria was very headstrong. And I really admire that about her. She wasn't a quiet lady. She spoke her mind, and yeah, I just really look up to that. Good on you, Henrietta Maria. Living the life you wanted, the way you wanted. Yeah, I think she's pretty cool. Let's look more around Henrietta's house. Look at the view, how stunning. Those colonnades, the park. I mean, it's just beautiful. I love this. It really reminds me of being at sea, looking at the still, calm sea. Some sort of a battlefield. Handmade wooden carving. You can just imagine how Henrietta Maria partied here, stayed here for hunting season, and just enjoyed herself and her life with her friends. I think she led a full life and was actually quite shocked when they murdered her husband for not really complying with the people, as he believed he was king by God's decision, and therefore his word was the word. There's so much art to see. So if you want a free day out that's beautiful, historical, and if you've never been to Greenwich before, then I highly recommend coming here. It's literally like stepping back in time And just walking through history, I can see why they make a lot of films here. It's so beautiful.